Okay, so I thought I'd do a video update on I've got this software called Fritzing. So my Design Spark software, which I previously used for doing circuit board designs, it no longer works with XP, and it uses an online account thing where it basically logs you on to a website, and it wouldn't work anymore. So I had to go back to the drawing board. So what I've done is I'm on Linux, and I downloaded this Fritzing. Sorry about the flicker, it's because I'm using a bigger screen. It's annoying. So basically, let me just load this test. I was playing around with it earlier, right? So I'm just trying to figure it out. So this is just some. It actually has a breadboard layout on it. So I wanted to do a quick video on it because I was just playing around with it. I was learning how to use it. And when you select the items, like the IC, for example, right, you get this little box that comes over here, and you can edit the IC. You can change the you can change the IC pins and everything on here. You can, if I scroll, oh no, my mouse isn't working properly. Hang on a minute. So if I click on there, you can set how many pins it's got, but it's very basic. You can change the ICs and everything, but it doesn't have specific ICs. I mean, ideally I want a HCF 4015 or 4013, I should say, but it's good enough to do what I want to do. So then there's if you go up here, there's the schematic which you draw. As I said, this is just me messing about, testing it out. But it's not very accurate. It's a little bit erratic. But it'll probably do what I want it to do. So I've got to basically learn this freaking software, how to use it. And it's got the PCB menu at the top, so you can lay out your components, and you can export it as a file which you can print out onto toner on the laser printer. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick video on that, because that's the software I got, and I'm playing around with it, and I'm going to do a test with it. I'm just doing a test right now. What I'll probably do is print it out on some sheet of paper or something. Can I zoom in with this? Oh yeah, that's better. Don't have to lean over it. It's a bit shaky though. I should have put it in my tripod, I suppose. But I'll just try and keep my eye on the phone and keep myself steady. So, yeah, at least it works on Ubuntu, which is good. It's free software, and you can select your components that you want to use, like your resistors. When you select on a resistor like that, right, in the top right hand corner, I don't know if you can see it, but over here, you can go down here and change the values to what you want. So if you select on the resistor, there's a drop down menu. Oh, actually I think what you do is you drop it onto the pad first. So if I select that resistor there, look, that's on my board, they all default to 220 ohms, but once it's on the board, you can go down here and you can change the resistance to whatever you want. And in this box here, there's a drop down menu. You can select different values, and you can also type them in manually. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, sorry, the colour's going weird. So yeah, it's really useful. It's free, so I can't complain. So yeah, I've got to figure this out anyway. But I have been working out the circuit in my head, basically, at the moment. So first thing I need to do really is do the schematic, which is this thing. I have to work out the schematic, draw it on the schematic, then I need to transplant everything across to the PCB layout. And it's got auto route as well, which is pretty cool. When you click on down here, it's got auto route. So if I click on auto route, it should redo it. Yeah, it's redone the auto route. So I only connected these two resistors as a test, and this capacitor to this IC as a test. So this isn't a real circuit, it's just something I'm playing around with at the moment. And then your breadboard, which I like that, because my design spec didn't actually have the breadboard thing feature. So that's cool, because it means I can build my circuit on the breadboard, right? And literally transplant it directly across to a schematic and then to a PCB, which is cool, because I didn't realize you could do that with the software at first. And I saw this, I thought, oh, that's cool, it's got a breadboard on it. So yeah, that's really cool. So anyway, just quick video just to let you know what I'm doing. I haven't disappeared. See you later.